Welcome to my lab now. Once again, I'm Theophilus Kerich, electronic engineer student, and I would like to show you guys about how we can go green. This machine here, as you can see, it's a charger. It's a multi-charger that works in charging form. You can use lamp heads. As you can see, it's written best for iPhones, phones, iPads, tablets, and lamp heads. What I mean lamp heads is all about the lighting system. Now, I want you to get this logic, where we can get the free energy. First of all, as we are talking about, we have the geothermal, you have hydropower, we have the tidal power, we have the wave power. Now, everything is always free, and free means they naturally replenish themselves. As we go through this project, we can see that we use transducers, and transducers are the things that can change one form of energy to another one. With this project, going green, we have used what we call magnets. To be specific, we use the germanium magnets, which are naturally replenishing themselves, and they are very powerful. Before I open, I would like to explain a bit of getting the fuel-free energy so that we can go green in the nearby future. What I can take to you is that what you can see inside here is what we have is all magnets. We can charge our phones. As you can see, this is the on-off. This is the positioning. As you can see, these are the magnets working inside, and this is the on-off. As you can see, the other side of the part of it is you have the USB part of it. We have the LED showing the faults in the circuit. We have the power generations LED. You have the charging system LED, and we have the on-off charging system being controlled by the control air supply in the system. This is the positioning, the working position of the system. At the same time, you can place it. These are the stands. We can have it this way. At the same time, we can take it. The handle is just simple. You can take where you want to take it. Now, before I open the stuff, I would like to introduce you to Theogen, what we call Theogen power. This is a part of it, the single part of it. We have all the system working like that. I can show you using my screw. These are the magnets. What else about these are the magnets, the strong magnet. These are laid down in a form of the South Pole. You have the South Pole repelling the North Pole. This side is the North Pole. At the same time, you have another hidden down here which can cut the magnetic flux from passing through the upper side. This is another magnet, North Pole magnet. At the same time, we have the tanks where we produce energy. We store them here. These are the tanks. At the same time, you have the generator. This is the part that generates energy, having the permanent magnets. This is the switch, and this is the LED that shows the fault of the tanks. At the same time, we have again these are the switches. This is the control system which controls the power from here to all the tank. This can tell us the amount of the energy or the power that is being stored inside here. At the same time, we have the control system down there. We have the switch. We have the main point of the positive part of it, and then we have the USB port over here. This acts as a ground or the negative part of it. I think that is all. The material used here is wood. The reason why I used wood is because wood won't affect the magnetic effect fields in the system. I would like to demonstrate how it works. This is the system itself. Now we have the North Pole and we have the South Pole. If we bring in a position that it's repelling, the other one will move. I would like to use one as an example. This is one of the strong neodymium. Let me use it. Make sure you make all the magnetic fields not passing the other side. Then we move it. The pole. As it's strong. As you see it moving. The control system is placed. Now I can demonstrate to you how it's happened. As you can move to the right position like that, it's working. That is how it works. You make it revolve like that.
Demonstrate again. Slowly.
Slowly, as you can see, you move it that position, and reaching that, it's moving. This is the LED that shows that the power is being produced. As you see, when it's up, at the same time it can stop. You get it? Being stored over here. We have all the control system. I have what we call RLS circuits. What do I mean? We have resistors, we have capacitor. At the same time, we have the wires in the circuit. All is controlled by one system. I haven't introduced any microchip or whatever, but in the nearby future, that is what we're gonna do. Now, as I close this is going green energy. This is how it works.
An example of a phone you can charge.
See, this means that the generation of power is being done inside the system.